Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 4th, 2016, and today is Monday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, only one number coming out really. Today it's a GBP number coming out at 10:30. It's a construction PMI number. So we'll see how that's going to affect the GBP. But looking at the markets from Friday, big NFP report on Friday. And in truth, we had a big sell-off, as you can see here, and a nice faded move. Okay, we rallied all the way to 114, which, as you know, is a resistance level for us, and then we tanked to 113.43. So it's about a 100 pip move, and then guess what? We had a correction. Okay, this is what we call the fade, where the market sells off in one direction and then has a correctional move subsequently. So, you know, if you were able to catch this fade, that was something of a nice move on the way up, and you're able to really maximize your profits on this correction. So we're just loitering at the resistance level just below 114. So this is a major level for the Euro USD. Looking at a daily chart, you could see that we've been in this range for since last summer, really. So so this is a colossal move for the Euro USD off of its lows, of course, from 105-ish level, and now we're trading all the way up on top. So, you know, we look like we want to take it up higher, okay, as the markets, the Dow Jones is making higher highs. You know, the euro is getting a little bit stronger against the dollar, and you know, that's exactly what happens. The dollar usually gets weaker as the Dow Jones goes higher. So let's see if we can maintain this momentum on the upside and maybe break it up. Okay, the next resistance level above 114 is really, you know, 120-ish level, 128-ish level. So it's really a very, very substantial move for the Euro USD. As you can see, a big bar up. Although we've had it before and we looked like we were going to take it up higher, we were selling it off. So a big resistance at this 114. If we do maintain momentum, it should be a big move for the Euro USD. Looking at the GBP, we're looking at the bottom of the range here on a 4-hour chart. As you can see, versus the USD, we find ourselves at the bottom of the trading range, as you can see, at 142.23. The question is whether or not it's going to bounce. Okay, so it's been respecting its boundary, so to speak, its trending range, and as you can see on the GBP, this is on the GBP Japanese yen. It's also on the lower threshold. So it should be kind of interesting how this unfolds. A story with Britain. Will it make it its exit from the EU, and how that will happen? Looking at the euro, looking at the Dow Jones, we've had a colossal move on the upside, very positive move on Friday, and things are just pushing up, up, up. We're getting closer to our all-time highs of 18,500. Not there yet. The next resistance level, obviously, 17,880. Although we broke this 17,669, we could see a sell-off coming in this week, because this is a major resistance line as well. So between 17,669 and 17,880, these are two possible resistance lines on the upside. Now, as a support level, 17,495 is a decent support level. So looking at the oil really retracing a lot here, trading at $36.37. And that's a big sell-off off of our 42-ish level. So it's over $6 sell-off. And you know, this is a support level. Okay, so if we do hold this, we may trade just between the $36 and $38 range for a while until we find a new trading range. So a little bit of a rally, a sell-off, and we're just about a third of the way there. So let's keep an eye on how this actually develops with the oil inventories. Looking at gold as well, gold trickling down to 1215, 1280-ish level, but nothing, you know, for me to really consider buying it, I'd like to see it get down to 1178-ish level, and then I get a little bit more aggressive with it, because, you know, it had its rally, it should have its, retracement, and it should retrace to about 1185 before I'd like to pick it up. So that's the next spot to really pick up gold, but in the interim, let's see if it does break that support level to see how further it can go. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.